Hey guys, hello, what's up? Welcome back to another amazing video of Technical Zone. You are watching Technical Zone and I am Umar, and today's video is going to be super amazing. Today we are going to try out Windows 11, and the twist is that we are not going to install Windows 11. We are going to try out an emulator which is on the web. We are not even going to download the emulator, so it is going to be super amazing. You just have to do one thing. You have to watch this video from the starting till the end, and you are going to see that how I am using Windows 11 without installing on my computer system, and it is going to be amazing, I guarantee. So first of all, you can see the browser is in front of me, Chrome, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to paste a link, https://windows11.bluedge.me, and then I'm pressing enter, and Windows 11 in front of us. So I'm just pressing F11 and entering the full screen view, and then let's quickly check out Windows 11. So okay, I understand, and the interface is awesome. Before we start, we use Windows 11. Let me quickly tell you a little bit about Windows 11. So Windows 11 is a creation of Microsoft Inc, and it is their operating system which is going a hit, which is viral. People are liking it a lot. Unlike Windows 11, it is having a very user friendly space, so the UI is awesome. People are liking this operating system just because of its awesome UI, and this operating system was launched on 5th October, so I am a little bit late, but no worries, let's quickly know about it. So you can see our website is in front of me. What I am doing is, first of all, a right click, then you can see what all is coming. It is super amazing. View large icons, medium icons, whatever you want, then sort by name, size, date modified. So we are just going to try out size. You can see that it is happening. Refresh. So basic functions like view, sort by, refresh are the same. New, you can create a folder, shortcut, text document, compressed, zipped folder, etc. Basically the things are same. The way is new. So this is the thing. Display settings, I know this will not work. The reason is that it is not a complete emulator. It will just give a little bit feeling. But if you guys want a detailed video on Windows 11, then I will download Windows 11 on VirtualBox, and then I would be showing you Windows 11, and that video is going to be even more awesome. So please wait till that time. Now next, desktop background, you can change the desktop background. This function has been added in Windows 11 and it is amazing. I am changing the desktop background. You can see amazing backgrounds are there in Windows 11. And then we are having about, you can read it, you can click on OK, I understand. File Explorer, it is now working, but previously it never used to work, so we will explore this later. Home, how is it? So we are clicking on the home button, so we are getting browser, word, everything is in front of us, and some logos have changed like a File Explorer, but others like calculator are same of Windows 10. So this is the thing, a thing to be noted. Then Word, we are having PowerPoint, OneNote, which are not working. Browser experience of Windows 11, you can see in front of you. Browser, Microsoft Edge is open and it is awesome. Back, then everything is awesome. You can even search if you want over here, whatever. Like if you are searching M, then you are getting alarms, search online for webs. You can open alarms, you can check out. All the apps are there. Some apps you can check out, others you cannot. So you are having this, and news is coming over here. Then we are opening File Explorer. It is coming like this. On downloads you can go, you can open anything. You are going to see amazing UI, quick access. You are going music, old school 60s songs, and a number of things are there. Then you can see UI is a little bit like Mac OS, but yet a new feel is there, something new, something out of the box, something which was never expected from Microsoft. So it is amazing. This is the thing which I like about Microsoft. They will give you a new twist in everything. OneDrive over here you are having. Folders are going to look like this. A right click on any folder, nothing is happening, you can open it normally. Basically the operating system, I will say it again, basically Windows 10 and 11 are same, the way is different. So you can see a very user friendly UI is there. Then it's awesome. Over here you can see I am just coming on GitHub. Then like this you can also see this option is not working actually. Then you are having everything over here, object explorer over here, then you can click it, you can open folder simply, sort you are having, you can sort it, cut, copy, paste. Over here I think this part is not visible because my face cam is over here, but over here you get Wi-Fi to connect to Wi-Fi, to speakers, Bluetooth, flight mode, battery saver, theme, now night light. This is something which I like. Now you can see like this the operating system is coming. Night light basically will open the night mode, like we are having night mode in a mobile in the very same way. You can reduce brightness, you can increase brightness, you can reduce volume, you can increase volume, you can see charging over here, you can see date and time at one click is in front of you. Cortana we cannot use in this, but I think so that Cortana is there. Then you can just shut down your computer. Now you can see how your computer is going to shut down if you are using Windows 11. This experience is going to be awesome, but I think it has got shut down, so we are just going to press and enter again, and it is on. F11 full screen view. Microsoft Store, maybe it is working. So yeah, it is working. Microsoft Store is also new. So basically now what or actually Windows 11 is going to offer you, it is going to offer you amazing UI like that of a mobile phone. So if you are an Android user or a mobile user or a person who likes or is comfortable with mobile, and PC or desktop and laptop have always been a burden for you, then Windows 11 is for you. If you are a professional gamer, then Windows 11 is for you. If you are a normal user who is comfortable with Windows 10, then also I will say Windows 11 is for you, because Windows 11 will give you a twist, a different experience, an experience which you will never get in Windows 7, 8 or 10 or any older version. So this is the thing. Plus security updates would be getting. Windows Defender is there for you to protect you. On settings you can explore about it. Basically everything is now a clean UI which people always wanted. Nothing is cluttered, everything is spaced properly, everything is coming properly, the visuals are out of the box. This is the thing of Windows 11, why this operating system is a hit, not was a hit, and it will always remain a hit till the time Microsoft brings now the Windows 12, which must be even better than Windows 11. Overall, this operating system is awesome. So guys, that's all for this video. I hope so that you all enjoyed this video a lot. If yes, then please do like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment down which video do you want next. Very soon I will bring another amazing video. Till then, goodbye.